Boggl AI is one of the newest AI tools making waves in the market, and today we're going to cover the 7 crucial things you need to know before diving into it. If you're searching for information on Boggl AI, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether this software is right for you. First off, you can try Boggl AI completely free from the first link below. It's a fantastic opportunity to explore the software without any commitment, so be sure to check that out. Now, let's dive into the details, and trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end. There's a game-changing feature you need to know about. Boggl AI is built with simplicity in mind, making it easy for anyone, even non-technical users, to start using AI for various applications. From content creation to automation, it's designed to save time and streamline your workflow. But what really sets it apart is its user-friendly interface. Unlike other complex AI tools that require a steep learning curve, Boggl offers a straightforward approach, making it ideal for beginners. One of the key features of Boggl AI is its powerful text generation capabilities. Whether you're writing blogs, social media posts, or product descriptions, Boggl can help you produce high-quality content at lightning speed. The AI is trained to understand context, so your content will always feel natural and relevant. This is a huge time saver for digital marketers, bloggers, and content creators who need fresh content regularly but don't want to spend hours writing. But it doesn't stop there. Boggl AI also offers impressive automation features. If you're running an e-commerce store or managing customer outreach, this tool can help automate responses, personalize messages, and even generate email marketing content. With a few simple commands, you can let the AI handle repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on more strategic work. Another reason to love Boggl AI is its seamless integration with existing tools. Whether you're using Google Docs, WordPress, or other platforms, Boggl easily connects to your workflow. This means you don't have to switch between multiple apps or manually transfer data. It integrates right into the systems you're already using, saving you even more time. Now let's talk about its adaptability. Unlike other AI tools that are limited to specific industries or use cases, Boggl is versatile. Whether you're in digital marketing, content creation, or business operations, this AI can be customized to fit your needs. It's not just a one-size-fits-all solution. Its flexibility makes it a powerful tool for a wide range of users. When it comes to pricing, Boggl AI offers a competitive structure. After trying it for free, you'll find that the paid plans are reasonable, and for what you get, it's definitely worth the investment. The AI delivers high value for the cost, especially considering the time it can save you and the boost it gives to productivity. So why should you care about Boggl AI? Well, if you've been struggling with content creation, automation, or simply want to streamline your daily tasks, this software could be a game changer for you. But here's the kicker. There's one unique feature that I think sets it apart from the competition. I'll be revealing that in just a second, but first remember, you can try it completely free from the link below. In conclusion, Boggl AI is an excellent choice if you're looking to make your workflow faster and more efficient. With its user-friendly interface, powerful text generation, automation features, and seamless integrations, it's a tool you don't want to miss. I've also tested thousands of AI tools, and in the description below, you'll find a list of my top recommended software, ones that can help you in your business or creative endeavors. Check them out for free and make sure to let me know which ones work best for you. Thanks for watching.